Hi, I'm Isy, Technical Content Specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the 8-channel pE-800 Illumination System to the pE-6501-8 USB controlled trigger box. This solution provides seamless control of the pE-800 into major software packages which already support the National Instrument 6501, and also where the pE-800 hasn't yet been fully integrated. It also provides really stable triggering of the pE-800 without extra equipment, and therefore provides a really affordable solution for high-speed imaging. However, it is important to remember that the pE-6501-8 is only compatible with the pE-800. You will also need to download the correct drivers and configure your imaging software for this setup. So please also refer to our software guides, which provide step-by-step instruction for software including Olympus CellSense, Micromanager and Metamorph. The USB to TTL Conversion Kit contains several items. The pE-6501-8 has 2 connections at the front, and these are both for TTL output. 8 of these connections, i.e. one for each channel of the pE-800, comes from this 15-way connector, and this connects to the pE-800 using this 15-way cable. Here the TTL controls the on-off state of each channel, and the pins are also in order, which allows for easy software setup. There is also a global TTL connection using this BNC connector here. And in some software, such as Micromanager, this allows for the setup of and control of additional hardware, such as the PT-100 for transmitted light applications. Finally, there is a USB cable included, which connects the pE-6501-8 to a PC using this connector on the back. First, connect the USB cable between the pE-6501-8 and your PC. Next, you'll need to download the National Instruments drivers, and we show you how to do this in our software guides, which can be found on our website. Next, connect the 15-way high-density cable between the pE-6501-8 and the pE-800. Here you can also see that we will connect the pE-800 directly to the PC using a USB cable. And this is for the use of the LightBridge graphical user interface, which allows for control of LED irradiance settings. Once this is done, you are now ready to plug in the power supply to the pE-800. And once you have followed these instructions, you are now ready to configure your imaging software. Thank you for watching this CoolLED tutorial. Please get in touch if you have any questions.